Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. So I thought if I have only one palette with me while traveling, which one will I carry? It would be MAC Mischief Minx. Easy to carry, comes very handy. I can put it in my handbag or little purse also. I have all the essential colors inside this palette. So I will be doing full face with this palette. Let's see where it goes. So let's start with the lids. I'm going to do my eyes first. I've already applied foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So this is Fleming Femme. I'm just going to drag it on my crease, eyelid crease, as I always do. Then gently. So after wearing Flaming Femme on my eyelids, I am going to dab a little Shenanigans on my eyelids. Now I'm just going to drag the same color, which is Flaming Femme, on my lower lid. Now I will be using a skimmer. It looks like this. On the outer corner of my eyelid, we'll start with the outer corner and then drag a little inside, like so, just to give it a shadow. So with darker colors you need to keep blending it. I'm using Inglot blending brush to blend it. So taking a little bit of color and then keep blending. Blending is the key. Yet again I used the same color on my lower lash line. Now I will be dabbing natural teas on my lids, just the ball of the eye. Blend, blend, blend. Alright, so now I think I need some popping. I'm going to wear Wee Frisky on the inner corner of the eye and my brow bone. See, it gives you that pop. It opens up your eyes and I love this step. Now this color is Mischief Minx and I'm going to dab it on my lid. I'm going to line my lash with Been There Done That. It's really dark brown and mix of black. I don't want to wear eyeliner because this is a daytime look and eyeliner gives a very sharp look and very heavy. You can wear eyeliner if you are going out in the evening wearing this makeup, but I skipped eyeliner and this is the step I follow to fill my eyelash I love the name of this color is called Stride of Pride. And I am going to go crazy with it on my cheeks, since I promised that I'm going to do full face with this palette. So I am going to go over my cheekbones, blush, nose bone, all the bony area of your face. Just go crazy with it. It looks really nice. All over your face, just to form that sun glowing on your face look. So ladies, I go a little crazy with all the brushes and bronzers. I am going to do my lips now. And what do you think? I'm going to use a lipstick? Nope. I'm just going to lightly line my lips with Inglot eyeliner, pencil, lip pencil. And since I love the color so much, the Stride of Pride, I am going to dab it on my lips too. Like so. And this really gives your lips that fuller look. You will see the difference. Imagine just one palette and you are good to go. And you can be creative with this palette. So our look is done and the palette looks like this. It comes with a mirror. Good looking palette. Mischief Minx. Love it. Glowing in the sun. So ladies, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and take care. Glow away.